In this video, I'm going to show you the Christmas village that I found at Target, what section to find it at, what I found at the Dollar Spot section, and what other secret section to check out for other Christmas village items. So join me on this journey to exploring Christmas villages. Hi, I'm Fanny, and I'm obsessed with Christmas villages. First, let's start with the main Christmas village houses. So my cousin told me about how Target Dollar Spot has Christmas villages, including a mini Target store. So I ran out the next day and I found this. It's so cute, and I want to show you each one. First, you have this Cocoa Cafe. I love the idea of a hot cocoa shop as part of this village set. The style is kind of like a gingerbread house, and it has like candy cane stripes on the sides. And let's check it out all the way around. Here's the sides, and there's more windows with snowflake design. Here's the back. Here's the other side, and back to the front. What's cool about this set is it comes with batteries. So it comes with the button batteries. You don't have to open it and put in new batteries. So that's what it makes it convenient. So this is how it looks like lit up. I'm gonna turn off my light. All the windows and the doors are cut out so that the light can shine through and glow. The only thing I don't like about this village set is that there's a layer of glitter all around, and the glitter gets everywhere. And next we have a Target store. I wasn't expecting this to have a Target store. Like, you know, a big box store like what Target looks like. And it has like a snowman and some Christmas trees outside. The only thing I don't like are these holes. It's so many holes that my kids say it looks empty, and it's more prominent when it's lit up. So there's a Target logo here, and the doors, let's check out all the way around. And this is pretty large. Here's the side, here's the back. Here's the other side. I want to like measure this for you guys. Let's measure how long this is because it's pretty big for a Christmas village house. You can see here it's 11 inches long, and it's less than 4 inches high, and the width is like less than 4 inches wide. So it's like 11 by 4 by 4. So it's really big. It's almost a foot long. So you have to keep that in mind when you're planning on where to put this. Here it is all lit up. Depending on the angle, I mean, it can look okay, but you can also see that it's empty inside the store, which kind of kids don't like that. You can see inside the store. It's $5. So the next house in this Christmas village is a post office. So this one has a wreath on top and presents outside, a tree outside, a garland decorated here, and the door has a window too. And let's look at it all the way around. 2 windows on the side. You can see the roof and you can see the glitter. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Back to the front. And let's light it up. And again, all the windows and the door have a cutout so that the lights can shine through. Here is Santa's toy shop, and it has a sign here. You can barely see it around under the glitter. But there's toys in the window and they light up. I'm going to show you later. But it has a nice door with a garland around and a wreath here. And there's like a second story. Here's on the side, there's another window. There's nothing in the back. And another window here. Here you can see it better. It's all lit up here. I love that they decided to illuminate the stored window display versus the house, and it gives it kind of authentic feel of a store. I love this part, and I love looking at it at night, just looking at this, and this is my favorite house. Next we have a triangular A-frame ski house, like a ski resort, and you can see the skis here outside, a wreath on the door with a hole in it, and let's check it out all the way around. There's a little chimney there. 2 windows in the back, window on the side with a little house. Let's see it all lit up. Here it is. You can see the light a little bit shining through the hole in the windows. So here we have a reindeer barn, and you can see 3 reindeer outside. This is kind of cute and imaginative. There's a tree here and a wreath up here, some snow on the roof. Look at it all the way around. Here's a barn door on the side. Here's the back. And here's the front again, and it's lighted up. I kind of like the light glowing above the reindeer head. Target versus Dollar Tree houses. Here's a Dollar Tree version versus the Target version. And you can see how much taller this one is and how much bigger it is. It's not to scale. If you were to put it next to each other, like this set's gonna be bigger. If you don't mind, if you don't care, then it doesn't really matter. But for me, I just separate them. I'm gonna have the Target Christmas Village just on my desk, and then this village sits downstairs on a round table by itself. So you could just have 2 separate ones or combine them, but I love this one. If you love Christmas villages, you're gonna grab this one if you can. How to buy the Target Christmas Village. This Target Christmas Village set is only available in the store at Dollar Spot. You cannot find it online. If you're wondering what it's called Scene Prop Bullseye Playground. But when I bought it, I looked in the app and I couldn't find the listing. Like, there's no listing for it. So if you find it. Get all of the ones that you see. There's 6 houses in the collection, and good luck in finding it. Dollar Spot Christmas Village accessories. So at the Dollar Spot, I found this ice skating rink for $5. I was really excited to find an ice skating rink because I've seen it in Christmas Village displays, but I just never found one. So this one's $5, and you can see all the way around. It just has a kind of metallic material because it's reflective. And there's like 2 trees here, and so it looks like on the bottom, but it's a plastic platform for displaying things. Like I found in the fairy garden, there are these gnomes with ice skates. So on the bottom, he actually has ice skates. So this penguin, and so these 2 have ice skates, and he's sliding off something. So I just thought it'd be cool to show like an ice skating rink, and this could be as part of your Christmas Village collection. When you have the houses in the background and you have this in front, you're featuring this, and it kind of looks like a whole town display and just adds an element of winter and the holidays to your Christmas Village. So I found this tree stump at Dollar Spot. Here's what it looks like. So it'll look like all the way around. It can be used as a platform for something. So like I was thinking I could put the fairy garden stuff on here. If you saw my other video, you could put a simple house with some figurines and probably put some more stuff on there. This could be something where you could put at your desk or your kitchen or your coffee table. I like that it's nature inspired, and it just kind of can fit into any kind of decor. Another thing that I found that I really loved was this joy sign. And this one has some cotton on here. I think this is like glued together cardboard. It's heavy. But this is great because you could put this by your window or your mantle or your desk, and it kind of goes with everything. I just love that this tree is decorated. There's ornaments on it. It's a bottle brush style tree. So it's kind of pokey here, but it's frosted with some snow, and it has a base, gold colored base, and it just stands on its own, and you can add it to any Christmas Village, and it looks very chic and elegant. Dollar Spot also had a lot of different trees of different materials and more bottle brush trees. So there's like some plastic clear ones, and then there's the bottle brush, like different colors. There's ones like made of like a yarn material and made of wood. See, there's a yarn one, and there's different sizes. There's also this basket where you could just put some more decorations, like some houses, and separate it from the others. Then I found this whole section with signs like Merry and Joy. There's the ice skating rink, like a clear Christmas tree for putting, you could put candy in there, candy holder. And this Christmas tree lane set with the cars and fence and trees. Super cute. And the ice skating rink set as well. And I saw the sleigh and the truck with the tree. And a countdown days till Santa comes. And little figurines you can use to decorate your Christmas village. There are kids and then there's adults. Here's a secret section for more village items. I found this ornament section at Target that had so many Christmas village houses. So let's check it out. Look at this gold glittery house. I feel like they just put a hook and string on it and called it an ornament. So there's a lot of like houses like this, but different styles. So check that out. It's so cute. Here's another house. It's bigger with different windows. This was kind of a delicate material though. I feel like it was like paper or cardboard. Not sure. Then there's this mushroom house, which kind of reminds me of a fairy garden, but this is made with fabric. Here's a black metal Christmas village house. And again, you could just remove the string and call it a Christmas village. It's just different style, different material. And this one had like a couple different versions of the house. Here's another one. And I'm sure you could put a candle in there and light it, or put like a flameless candle or a light to light it inside. Here's like a wooden block car with a tree on top. Kind of a basic style, like kids boxcar style. And then there's this cute clear ornament with the scene inside, like a fairy garden scene inside. And look, more houses. Like this time it's like a metal tin style. And there's so many different styles here. Like there's a shorter one that's wider. And then a different version where it's a little skinnier and taller with a balcony. And then this 3-story house. I think these ornaments are always on sale. I don't know. I feel like I saw another sale on it before. But here's a cute vintage VW bug that's pink and has a tree on the top. I love the color of that. And here's the VW bus, like the van. This one is like a ceramic material. Here is a truck that's white with presents on top. And another one, another like vintage kind of truck with a tree in the back. You can see the wipers. And then there's a taxi with a gift on top. And then a station wagon. And these are all like vintage style designs. Here is an A-frame house. And it's made of a very lightweight material. And there's different styles of the houses. You could make it a whole collection as well. Then I found a nativity scene that's made of like cardboard or like wooden cardboard. If that's a thing, but super lightweight. And here's another metal truck with a tree in the back and a star, a different style. Here is a cute like greenhouse. Oh my gosh, I forgot to pick this up. I forgot to buy this, but I really like this one. Here's something super colorful, a teardrop camper. That's probably the most colorful camper I've ever seen. That one is also adorable. Then I found these bigger like houses that have like a opening in the front, like a ticket window. I'm not really sure what it's for. Like that one's a toy shop and that's another like decorated storefront or house. I don't know what the cutout the window is for. Can someone tell me? And then there's a scooter. And this is near the ornament section. Don't forget to check out my other Christmas Village videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye!